So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can unban your WhatsApp account or how you can fix this kind of problem where it is written this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. Also friends, first of all, open any browser and friends in the browser search WhatsApp contact support, and as you search then tap on first website which is contact WhatsApp. And guys, in this website, scroll down your page and in the first box fill your phone number in which you are facing problem. And guys, then fill the email address and then confirm your email address, and then in the next step choose the device in which you facing problem. And guys, then describe your problem. So after filling all these steps, then tap on next step option. And guys, then tap on send question option. So as you tap on send question option, then WhatsApp team will try to resolve your problem. And guys, also keep in mind that always use WhatsApp from the official sources like your Play Store or App Store. Never use third party or unofficial WhatsApp. And guys, always follow the guidelines and rules of WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting